Have you ever wondered how pouches like this stand up on their own? Well, I'm gonna show you. It's called a boxed corner, and it looks like this. This is how you make it. Take your pouch. You're gonna wanna cut out a little bit of the corner. On this pattern, you cut out a little 1-inch square. I'm gonna do that on all 4 sides, and then I will come back and show you how to box those corners. So the pouch I'm currently making has a front piece and then also has a lining. So at this point in the process, so we've cut out all of our corners here, we're gonna line up the 2 front pieces and we're gonna leave the linings laying together right side. So put everything right side together, flatten it out, pin it, and you're going to sew this top line, this side, and then you're gonna sew about 2 inches in on each of these bottom sides. So I've sewn all those spots together and I'm gonna go into my bag now. This is why we left that opening here, because we have some work to do in here. You're gonna reach in, and where this is cut, you're gonna take it and match these 2 seams together. We're gonna pinch them, flatten this out, and then we are gonna sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance across this line. And that's what's going to box out our corner. Here's how it looks in the machine. I'm gonna line it up at my 1/4 inch, back stitch, and then sew right across. As you can see, I've sewn each of these corners. Now I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna flip the bag right side out. And I'm gonna take my fingers and push those corners out. See how I do that there? Do that for your other side. And then you're gonna also punch out your top of the bag and punch with your hand the lining boxed corners. Ready to push my lining into the bag. Feel out those corners with your hand, and you will see that you have a beautiful boxed corner. Your pouch will stand out perfectly. Isn't that cute? Easy peasy.